welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. So today I'm going to be showing you how I revive my hair from when I have been having a very lazy week and I have not brushed it and it looks like, I don't know, like I've never brushed my hair in my life. Today I'll be showing you how I revive it and how I get it back to its curly state. So yeah, if you're interested, stay watching. So as you can see, my hair is wet and I look like a shaggy dog, but there's no knot. I can put my hand through it almost. What I did when I wash my hair, I always make sure I have a brush with me, and when I'm washing my hair, I part it, so I do like 4 bits, blah blah blah, and I brush it from the bottom and then like brush it to the top, if that makes sense. Especially when it's knotty. The state my hair was in before this wash, hell, like it takes so long for me to wash my hair when it's like that, and it's just like it's so hard. And when it's like that, I always put conditioner on it whilst I'm brushing it, because that helps to like loosen up the hair, like it makes it just easier to get through. And then I shampoo this bit, otherwise I'll get serious dandruff with the product build-up and stuff. I try to just shampoo my head rather than this, because this part of my hair gets really dry, so I don't want it to dry out more, because that's what shampoo does. And then condition it, leave it in, but still brush it while it's conditioning, because it just helps it to get rid of all the nuts, you know. And then once I've washed out the conditioner, I put a bit of conditioner back in, just like a little bit, and I just like put it in, leave it in like it's cream, and I don't wash it out, because sometimes my hair needs that extra moisture, especially when it's looking like the weekend hair. Actually, the shampoo and conditioner I use is Shea Moisture, but because I don't have it, I had to use my mum's shampoo, like Herbal Essence or whatever it was. And the conditioner I used is this, the ORS or Oars, whatever it's called, Hair Repair Nourishing Conditioner, and it smells like banana. I don't know if I'm the only person, yeah. I love the smell and taste of banana, but I don't like eating bananas, if that makes sense. Like, I can drink a banana smoothie, eat banana flavoured things, but I can't eat like a banana. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, don't like the banana. But yeah, this smells really good, and it's for dry and damaged hair, which I have. So yeah, I think you can get this in any hair shop or online. All my stuff that I usually all the stuff that I usually use is at uni, so I'm gonna have to show you what I have to compromise with. I'm gonna use this Shea Miracle leave-in conditioner. I always use leave-in conditioner because it's just the best for your hair. So I get a big juicy bit, and I just kind of put it all on my hair. I'm gonna get another big juicy bit. Okay, this might be a bit too much. This I've definitely overdone it. Shit. Okay. Gonna have to make it work, Okay, let's comb it in with my fingers. Definitely used too much, but my hair is dry as fuck, so it does need some moisture. Now to wipe the hands. Then I get my I get my Denman brush, and I brush it from the bottom. Also not a good idea to wear this brown top. Brush it from the bottom. I'm not being gentle at all, but you should be gentle with your hair. Also, when you wash your hair, don't use like extra hot. Like, I used to really wash, like shower in like boiling hot water and wash my hair in it as well, because obviously it feels really nice, but it's so bad for your hair. It like gives it heat damage pretty much, which you don't want from your shower. So yeah, have it on like a lukewarm water when you wash your hair. So you can see all the knots shining through. Okay, let's do this side. Because I don't have a lot of hair, like, you know, some people, they will part their hair when they're doing this, like separate it into 4, but as all of this is my hair. Like, I have no hair basically. I don't really need to part it because I can see straight through it. I was gonna put this curling smoothie in it. Already don't watch that. This Shea Moisture curling smoothie, but because I just put so much leave-in conditioner in, I don't need to. My edges are going. Someone help! I need to sort that out.
Make myself dizzy. I slept it away. I sexed it away.
And then you just pretend you're in a herbal essence advert like. And then what I do after this, I let it air dry for a bit, because I feel like when I air dry my hair, that's when it looks the best. Like when it's air dried, that's when it's like all ringlety and stuff. But for the sake of time, I'm going to blow dry the top bit to make it like more poofy. And yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna use a cool one on my blow dry. Yeah, I'm gonna use the cool one. See how far that gets me. If not, I'm gonna have to crank up the heat, and I'm gonna have to use a hot one because this shit gotta dry. I gotta go. So yeah, let's get blow drying, bitch.
I'll wear my credit card below. Thought a new dress would make it better. I tried to.
Now I'm gonna just pick. Can't put my afro comb, so I'm gonna have to use this. It looks like a hot mess.
I tried to keep myself busy. I ran around in circles,
This is just to make it a bit more like puffy, but at the moment, because I haven't air dried it, it's not looking too cute. So I don't know how I feel about today's hair. I'm gonna put a bit more product in this front bit because this front bit is not looking cute at all. And the blow dry is drying out my hair like a motherfucker. I'm gonna have to let this air dry because blow drying is not looking cute. So I'm actually gonna have to let it air dry. So I'll be back. Do my edges. These edges will do. They're a bit big, but I will. But yeah, my hair hasn't dried exactly how I wanted it to be honest. I think it's partly because I use this. I never use this. I usually use this one, the Shea Moisture, but it has run out and I don't know where my full one is. So I've had to go with this one, and hasn't done what I wanted it to do, but you know what, it will do. It will do. So I'm just checking myself out. Just gonna get the afro comb again. My hair was in that state because I literally kept it in a bun for like a week straight. I had just had it in a bun, slept with it in a bun. Like, the only time I took it out was to put it back in a bun. I didn't brush it, didn't even put any products on it. So I was having a lazy week. And so yeah, that's why it just looked like one big huge dreadlock, like the weekend. So yeah, that's why I had to put a lot of moisture on it this time to just like revitalize the curls, you know. So yeah, this is how I get my hair from dreads to curls. Much better. Still a bit snaggly, but that's expected. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a comment. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. I tried to put one in the air.